Welcome, in front of me is HONOR MagicBook X16 PRO, and in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust screen brightness on your laptop. If you can see your status bar, then click on the three icons you can see in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then move the slider either to the left to decrease your screen brightness or to the right to increase it. The other way to do this, for example, if you don't have access to your status bar, first press F button in order to make the light appear on in the top right corner of this key. The F button is located next to your Windows key, and once you do that, you can use F2 button for increasing your screen brightness and F1 for decreasing it. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.